Imagine standing at a crossroads, a decision looming that could impact not just you, but your entire team at work. Exciting, isn't it? Or maybe it's daunting. Either way, you're in the right place. We're diving into the topic of navigating tough decisions that shape the course of your team. We'll explore the weight these decisions carry, the challenges they pose, and the common pitfalls that trip many of us up. This video will equip you with the most effective tool to handle such situations. So, are you ready to become a decision-making wizard? Most people, when faced with a tough decision, either rush into it or procrastinate. Neither approach does justice to the complexity of team-impacting decisions. Let's delve into these common missteps. First, the hurry up and decide trap. This is when you feel the pressure to make a quick decision. The result? A decision that's poorly thought out and often misaligned with your team's needs and goals. Next, we have the wait it out method. This is where you delay making a decision, hoping the problem will resolve itself. But in reality, this inaction can lead to missed opportunities and increased stress for you and your team. Lastly, the Lone Ranger approach. This is when you make a decision without consulting your team, which can lead to resentment and a lack of buy-in. These methods not only hinder your decision-making process, but can also negatively impact your team dynamics. But don't worry, there's a more effective way to navigate through these tough decisions. Ever heard of consensus decision-making? It's the most commonly used tool when tackling tough decisions at work. But what exactly is it? Consensus decision-making is a creative and dynamic way of reaching agreement within a team. Instead of simply voting for an item or deferring to the boss, the team works together to develop solutions that everyone actively supports. Imagine you're part of a team deciding on a new project direction. Instead of a leader making the call, everyone pitches in, sharing their ideas and perspectives. Through thoughtful dialogue and negotiation, a decision emerges that everyone can stand behind. It's not about compromise, but about finding a solution that integrates all the valid points raised. Why is consensus decision-making so effective? Well, it ensures everyone's voice is heard, fostering a sense of ownership and commitment to the outcome. It promotes collaboration, and it can lead to more innovative and effective solutions. Let's take the tech giant Google as an example. They use consensus decision-making in their design process. Designers, engineers, and product managers all have a say in the final product. This approach has led to some of their most innovative features, like the dynamic search algorithm and the intuitive interface. Now you might be thinking, great, but what's in it for me? Implementing consensus decision-making doesn't just benefit the team, but it also boosts your own professional growth. Sounds surprising? Let's break it down. When you encourage everyone's input, you not only foster a sense of unity, but also polish your leadership skills. It's about active listening, empathy, and negotiation, all crucial for a leader. Plus, this approach can significantly improve team cohesion. An aligned team is a motivated team, leading to better productivity and results. Now, think about career advancement. When higher-ups notice your ability to lead and unite a team, they're more likely to consider you for promotions. After all, they want leaders who can create a positive, collaborative work environment. So consensus decision-making isn't just about making tough choices easier, it's about opening doors for personal and professional growth. Intrigued? Imagine the possibilities when you apply this tool in your workplace. So there you have it. The power to make tough decisions that positively impact your team is in your hands. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane, shall we? We've debunked common missteps, like making hasty decisions or disregarding team input. We've highlighted the essence of consensus decision-making, a tool that fosters collaboration, boosts morale, and ultimately leads to better outcomes. The benefits? They're twofold. Personally, you grow as a leader, becoming more empathetic and understanding. Professionally, your team becomes more cohesive, productive, and satisfied. It's a win-win. And remember, this isn't some abstract theory. These are practical, relatable methods you can start implementing today. So what are you waiting for? It's time to step into your power, to lead with wisdom and empathy. Go ahead, apply this in your workplace and see the difference. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.